Hi friends, how are you all? Today we discuss about a topic India's largest, longest, highest, smallest, biggest, everything in the field of every we will learn today. So let's start. So today India's biggest, largest, smallest, highest. So these all we will learn today. So first one is the biggest cantilever bridge in India. So, which is the biggest cantilever bridge in India? So, it is none other than Rabindra Setu. Rabindra Setu. This is none other than Howrah Bridge. Most of the people know Howrah Bridge. Its name also it also called as Rabindra Setu. Howrah Bridge is also called as Rabindra Setu. It is located in Kolkata. Kolkata. So next one, the largest animal fair in India. Largest animal fair in India. It is Sonpur. In Sonpur, we will get largest animal fair. Sonpur is present in Bihar state. Okay. So next, the largest auditorium in India. The largest auditorium in India is Sri Shanmukhanand. Whose Shanmukhanand Hall? Sri Shanmukhanand Hall in Mumbai is the largest auditorium in India. In Mumbai state, it is present. Next, the largest lake. The largest lake in India. The largest lake in India is Vular Lake. Vular Lake, present in Jammu and Kashmir state. Jammu and Kashmir state. Next one is the highest dam in India. The highest dam in India is Bakra Nangal Dam. Bakra Dam. Bakra Dam. Nangal is a supporting dam for the on the Sutlej River. Bakra Dam is present, and this dam is present in Punjab state. For this type of biggest dams, supporting dams are being constructed. So Nangal is a supporting dam. So next one is the largest desert. The largest desert in India is Thar Desert. Thar Desert, Rajasthan. In state, we can find Thar Desert. So, the largest cave temple in India. The largest cave temple in India is present. Kailash Temple is the largest cave temple, and this Kailash Temple is present in Ellora Caves. Ellora Caves, which is present in Maharashtra. You have heard Ajanta Ellora Caves. So, next one is the largest mosque in India. The largest mosque in India is Jama Masjid. There is Jama Masjid present in Delhi. Present in Delhi. Next, the largest zoo in India. The largest zoo in India is Zoological Garden. Zoological Garden, and this zoological garden is present in West Bengal state of Kolkata. Kolkata. So the next one, the highest peak. The highest peak in India is K2, which is also known as Godwin Austen. Godwin Austen is also known as K2, and its height is 8,611 meters. Next one is the longest tunnel in India. The longest tunnel in India. It is Jawahar Tunnel. What? Jawahar Tunnel. This is also known as Banihal Pass. Banihal Pass, which is present in Jammu and Kashmir state. Jammu and Kashmir state. Jawahar Tunnel is the longest tunnel in India. Banihal Pass. And the next is the state with maximum forest area. The state with maximum forest area is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has the largest percentage of forest in its state, and it also has the largest uh, so many national parks in Madhya Pradesh also. So next one, the highest waterfall in India. The highest waterfall in India is Jog Waterfalls, which is also called as Jarasoppa Waterfalls. It is present in Karnataka state. Karnataka state. The next one is the longest road in India. Longest road in India. It is Grand Trunk Road. Grand Trunk Road from Kolkata to Delhi. Kolkata to Delhi. Next, the highest gateway. The highest gateway in India is Buland Darwaza. Buland Darwaza in Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri, which was also the Akbar's capital, Mughal emperor, present in UP. So next one is the longest river in India. The longest river in India is the Ganga. The Ganga, 2640 kilometers long. Next one is the longest corridor in India. The longest corridor in India is corridor of Ramnath Swami Temple. Ramnath Swami Temple. This is present at Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram is a place in state of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. So, next one, the largest museum in India. The largest museum in India is Indian Museum. What? Indian Museum. Present in Calcutta. And the largest dome in India is Gol Gumbaz Dome in Bijapur, and this Bijapur is present in Karnataka state. Karnataka state. The next one is the tallest statue of India is Gomateshwara. Gomateshwara, which is present in Karnataka state. So the next one is the largest public sector bank. The largest public sector bank in India is the State Bank of India. State Bank of India, SBI. We call as SBI, State Bank of India. So next one, the longest river bridge that is Mahatma Gandhi Setu Bridge. Mahatma Gandhi Setu Bridge. It is on the Ganga River and it is present in Patna, Bihar state, 5.575 km long. It joins the cities Hajipur to Patna. Next one, The longest canal in India. The longest canal in India is Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal. And it can be also called as Rajasthan Canal, which is present in Rajasthan state. So it is also called as Rajasthan Canal. So the next one is the longest railway tunnel. The longest railway tunnel is Pirpanjal Railway Tunnel. Pirpanjal Railway Tunnel. It is present in Jammu and Kashmir state. Jammu and Kashmir state. And its length is 11.215 kilometers. Approximately 11 kilometers. Its longest tunnel in India. The longest railway platform. The longest railway platform is Gorakhpur station. Gorakhpur is present in West UP state. Gorakhpur. 1355.4 meters longest platform in India, and also the longest platform in the world itself. And next, the largest freshwater lake in India. The largest freshwater lake in India is Kolleru Lake. Kolleru Lake, which is present in Andhra Pradesh state. Andhra Pradesh. So the next one is largest cave. Largest cave in India is Amarnath Caves. Amarnath Caves. It is present in Jammu and Kashmir state. And now Jammu and Kashmir is not a state, it's a union territory. Next, the longest dam. The longest dam in India is Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam, which is present in Odisha state. The longest river of southern India, South India. The longest river of southern India is Godavari. Godavari is also called as Dakshina Ganga, because Ganga is the biggest river in India. Godavari is the biggest river in South India. So it is called Dakshina Ganga also. So next one, the highest gallantry award. The highest gallantry award is Paramveer Chakra, which is given to our brave soldiers in the field of army. Paramveer Chakra. Next, the highest award in India. The highest award in India is Bharat Ratna, which is given by the government of India. Bharat Ratna. The largest Gurudwara in India is Golden Temple. Golden Temple in Amritsar. And Amritsar is present in Punjab state. The tallest TV tower in India. The tallest TV tower in India is Fazilka Tower, present in Punjab. And the biggest church in India. The biggest church in India is Saint Cathedral, which is present in Goa state. So the next one, the Southern India state, South India state with longest coastline is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh with a length of 962 kilometers. 972 kilometers. So next one, the most populous city in India. The most populous city in India is Mumbai. Mumbai is the most populous city which is present in Maharashtra state and also the capital city of Maharashtra. Next one, the largest sea bridge. The largest sea bridge is Anna Indira Gandhi Bridge. Anna Indira Gandhi Bridge, which is present in Tamil Nadu state. Next one, the highest lake is in India is Devatal Lake. Devatal Lake present in Gadwal area, and Gadwal is present in Uttarakhand state. And the state with longest coastline is in India is state with longest coastline in India is Gujarat state. Gujarat has the highest longest coastline in India. So next, the longest national highway in India. The longest national highway in India is NH 44. Before it was called as NH 7. First, now it is called as NH 44 from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. Approximately 3,545 kilometers long. So next one, the longest passenger train route. The longest passenger train route in India is Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. Dibrugarh, it is present in Assam to Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. It is the southernmost end point of India, Kanyakumari. Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. So next one, the largest planetarium in India. The largest planetarium in India is Birla Planetarium. What? Birla Planetarium. Birla Planetarium in Kolkata state. Kolkata, West Bengal state, Kolkata city. And the highest airport is Leh Airport in Ladakh. Is the highest airport. Next one, the biggest river island is Majuli River Island. It's known as Majuli, which is formed in Brahmaputra River. Majuli Island is found in Assam state. Is the biggest river island in India. Next one, the deepest river valley. So the deepest river valley is Bhagirathi and Alkananda rivers. Bhagirathi and Alkananda rivers has the deepest valleys, and the largest artificial lake is in India is Govind Sagar, present in Bakranangal. The highest road in India is highest road in India is road at Khardungla. Khardungla is the highest road in India in Leh Manali sector. In Leh Manali sector. And the next is the longest sea beach. The longest sea beach in India is Marina Beach. Marina Beach, which is present in Chennai. And Chennai is present in Tamil Nadu state. We can find Marina Beach. And the last but not the least is the highest battlefield and the longest glacier. It has two, longest glacier and highest battlefield. It is none other than Siachen Glacier. Siachen Glacier. So friends, we have today completed 50 questions, 50 important bits about India's highest, tallest, biggest, smallest, everything we have discussed. So in next topic, I will come in front of you with a new topic.